Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video, show you guys a couple things that you may or may not know on the Tundra. This is my Tundra. It's a work in progress. It's very dirty right now. But anyway, first I want to show you guys that I added something called a flexi cam or flex cam. And it comes with this piece right here, this trim piece, so it makes it look like it's totally built into the truck. It's pretty cool on Amazon. Alright, anyway, let me show you what I really wanted to show you guys. So a lot of people may not know that these mirrors actually fold down. You have to have this right here set on left or right. So let me turn it. So on left, I'm gonna put the truck in reverse, and you'll see it folds down. Even this one's folded down. I'm gonna put it back in park, and you see it folded back up. Just set it left or right. If you have it in the middle, it won't do anything. Okay, the other thing I want to show you, so on your sunroof, let's say you want to open your sunroof. Slides, and it just stops right there, and you're like, well, that's not that great. But if you hit it again, it goes all the way back, so now you have a bigger opening. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you, and just in case you didn't know, now you know.